The continent is home to 54 recognized countries, each with its own unique culture, traditions, languages, and customs. It is home to the world's largest desert, the Sahara, which stretches across multiple countries in the northern part of the continent. Countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia offer exceptional opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts to spot iconic animals like lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and rhinoceroses in their natural habitats. The pyramids of Giza in Egypt, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela in Ethiopia, the Great Zimbabwe ruins, and the ancient city of Carthage in Tunisia are just a few examples of the continent's remarkable historical heritage. Culturally, Africa is incredibly diverse, with more than 2,000 different languages spoken across the continent. Each region has its own unique traditions, music, dance, and art forms.